Hi, I'm Kelly Kay. We're talking flooring here at the huge Louisville warehouse of iCarpetTiles.com. Now, Stephanie, tell me about some of the products you have.
We have a variety of products, including carpet tiles, soft step tiles, and a durable vinyl product that we carry tiles and mats in called Chili Witch.
I'm a little overwhelmed. You've got a ton of different colors and patterns and carpet tiles here.
We have thousands of colors and patterns and styles of carpet tiles, and they are a great do-it-yourself project.
All right, Stephanie, it looks like I could take a nap on these. Tell me about the soft step.
They are plush. They have a cushion backing. They're stain resistant. They also have a self-adhesive back on them, so when you peel this backing off, you have the adhesive there and they're ready to install.
That's easy.
Yes.
Where exactly do people put carpet tiles?
They put them in their basements, bedrooms, kids' rooms, family rooms, bedrooms.
Anywhere there's a smooth surface?
That's correct.
Now, these are fun. Letters on carpet tiles?
That's right. These are our new tile letter rug kits, and they are fabulous.
Perfect for a kid's room.
They are. And we are offering 10 free tactiles to help with installation.
Awesome. You mentioned tactiles. What exactly are they?
They are glue-free adhesive squares that help connect the tiles together.
Now, these woven vinyl Chili Witch tiles are beautiful.
They are. They're a very contemporary look. They can be used anywhere the carpet tiles can be used. We have the tiles, and we also offer the mats in various different sizes and colors and styles.
Wow, yeah, definitely. iCarpet tiles are easy to install and super affordable.
They are. You can save up to 80% by shopping with us.
All right, I'm ready to get shopping.
Then come on out to our showroom. We're located at 3320 Gilmore Industrial Boulevard, which is 1 mile south of the Watterson Expressway off Poplar Level Road.
So call, check out the website, or literally drive in to the warehouse and get started on your iCarpetTiles.com floor today. I'm Kelly Kay. Thanks for watching. Well, you can fit a lot in there.